Guys, it's AI Tuesday, and today we're going to be talking about Meta AI. I mean, Meta AI is all over the news for a couple of days and weeks, as you guys can see. So, the Meta AI is built on Meta's proprietary model, Llama 3, that's large language model. And the fun fact about Llama 3 is that it's open source and it's free, and you can access Meta AI on different ways. So this is you if you want to access. This is me accessing it on a web browser. So just enter meta.ai, and just like on ChatGPT platform and on Gemini, you can just have access to it, enter your prompt, and get some results just like you see. But with this, you have to, for you to be able to fully use this platform, you have to be able to sign in. You have to sign in to your Facebook account, and I think without signing in, you can generate text responses, but to generate images and every other thing, you need to sign into your Facebook account. And I really wanted to see something quickly, so I couldn't wait to sign in on this platform. After I enter the prompt here, it's going to ask you for your age to know if you can use the platform, just like the way Facebook does. You have to be an adult or a teenager before you can use any of their platform. So I couldn't wait to do that. I just went into my WhatsApp. I wanted to see what Meta would create when I enter the prompt for it to show me what Lagos, Nigeria will look like in 300 years. This was just me being curious. I mean, I've been using this app for a couple of days now, and I'm just comparing it to see whether it's a good option compared to ChatGPT or to Gemini. And so far, it has been really good. It has been really, really good. I mean, see the pictures it generated. Maybe not the typical picture, but let's go back to how I started using Meta. So, just like we know, Meta has been rolling out this their chats, the Meta AI chat, for a couple of months now in other countries, but now they rolled it out in more countries, and they are testing it on their two largest platform, which is on Instagram and on WhatsApp. And this means that they're going to reach a large base of audience. They're going to reach practically the world. I mean, Instagram and WhatsApp are like the most used social media apps in the world. So this is a very good marketing strategy for Meta. I mean, it's like ChatGPT and Gemini are in for it. So you can access the AI via your chat or via your direct messaging. Even when you use it on chat, it's going to pop up in your DMs. And this is me asking Meta to give me some top tech hashtags used so far in 2024. And it made a mistake here. It gave me the general hashtags, and when I said thank you, it actually corrected itself and said, "Oh, sorry, I made a mistake." I'm like, okay, that was impressive. That's quite smart. The AI itself corrected itself and gave me the actual correct thing, which is, just like I said, still very impressive. I mean, this model is meeting up to GPT 3.5, is even competing almost on the same level with GPT-4, which is a paid version on the paid version model for OpenAI. And this is really impressive. I went further to ask Meta AI on Instagram a lot of questions on how to grow my page. I also asked it some questions regarding top reels on Instagram, though it said it couldn't generate real-time responses. They're still testing out the rollout, because I noticed that on Instagram, the AI, that's the chatbot, could not fully generate some responses. I mean, it could not generate image for me on Instagram, and we're just testing things out. And just like I said, for you to access it, you can access it either from your search bar or in your DM too, and that's it. So you have your Meta AI directly in your Instagram too. I also went further to ask it to also give me some list of some top sounds, but it couldn't do that in real time. But I mean, that's fine. They're still rolling out tests, they're still rolling out updates. Some persons don't even have this yet on their platform. So let's go to it. WhatsApp, Meta AI on WhatsApp. This is this is actually the most exciting part, because I mean, you have your chats like a ChatGPT on your phone. You don't have to close your app, you don't have to open your laptop to do this. So this is really impressive. I love the fact that Mark and the entire Meta team decided to integrate this into our social media app. So this means that you're going to be hooked longer on WhatsApp or on Instagram, depending on you. So you don't have to close your WhatsApp and your Instagram to be able to use your ChatGPT. You can use it directly inside the app, and that will mean more traction for them. And that's good business and some real competition for ChatGPT. That's OpenAI and also for Google. So this is Meta AI on my WhatsApp. Just like on Instagram, you can access it via the search button, via the search bar, or via you adding a new chat. And right here, I asked the AI to summarize a book for me, a book I'm currently reading, From Zero to One by Peter Thiel, and the summary was actually very impressive. Very clean, very detailed, straight to the point. And just like I said, Meta AI does is sort of like a follow-up whenever it gives you an answer to your prompts, which is also cool too. And the particular thing I'm very, very interested in on this platform is the image generation. I couldn't generate image with my Meta AI on Instagram, but I can, on my WhatsApp. This is a page feature, guys, on other AIs, and something like I will always say, the prompts you put into any generative AI determines the results you get. I was asking it to create an image of a reels for me, but I didn't specify it was an Instagram reels. So I reworked that prompt and it generated an image for me, explained the way it generated the image and what the image depicts. Then I went further to ask it some more technical prompts and to see how the response is going to be. And I mean, the response is quite impressive. Just what ChatGPT will give me and even more, especially the image part. I mean, on ChatGPT, before you can generate images, you have to use the paid version. And I'm getting free images here. The only thing now is that it has a watermark showing that it generated here on this platform. So guys, I've been hooked on this for a couple of days. Let me know whether you're going to be using this or you still stick to your ChatGPT or to your Gemini AI. So let me know, guys. And I know some of you don't have this yet, either on your WhatsApp or your Instagram, but don't worry, it will reach everybody last.